Hello everyone! Today's video is about hankies. Yes, hankies. Keep them through the years as they dried your tears. Don't just carefully fold them and put away. Here is a wonderful way to remember our loved ones who wiped our tears once. Let us quickly make this graceful art piece and never let dry our memories. Place the center of the hanky on a pencil and then hold the hanky like a banana peel and just remove the pencil. Fold the tip this way and secure it with double-sided tape. Take a photo frame and a piece of chart paper that fits the frame. Stick the hanky dress on the paper and here's how we magically turn it into an enchanting princess. Complete it with a beautiful quote or a poem, and then frame it without the glass. Those we love don't go away. They walk beside us every day, unseen, unheard, but always near. Still loved, still missed, and very dear. Consider yourself fortunate if you have a piece of hanky with you that belonged to your loved ones, as the future generations may be left with none, as hankies are now being replaced by tissues. Why fold and keep away when you can display it right away? Well, I hope you liked this video. If you do, please share your comments. This is your Sue signing off.